What if I told you there's a plant that can instantly make your home look like a luxury hotel, requires almost zero effort, and won't die if you forget it for a week? Meet the Parlor Palm, also known as Chamaedorea elegans, the ultimate beginner-friendly indoor plant that's been decorating homes since the Victorian era. Most people think it's unkillable and still manage to slowly destroy it. Yellow leaves, brown tips, no growth. Sound familiar? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow and care for your Parlor Palm the right way, so it stays lush, green, and beautiful for years. Let's fix your plant starting today. Number, light. The secret to healthy growth. The Parlor Palm has a reputation for being a low-light plant, and while that's technically true, it's also one of the biggest reasons people struggle with it. Here's the truth. Your Parlor Palm doesn't love low light. It simply tolerates it. In its natural habitat, this plant grows under the canopy of larger trees, receiving soft, filtered sunlight. That's exactly what you want to recreate indoors. The ideal placement is near a bright window with indirect light. Think sheer curtains or a spot where sunlight doesn't hit the leaves directly. Direct sun can scorch the delicate fronds, leaving behind dry, pale patches that never recover. If your plant is sitting in a dark corner, it won't die quickly, but it will stop growing. You may notice thin, weak stems and faded green leaves. That's your sign to move it closer to a light source. A good rule of thumb: if you can comfortably read a book in that spot without turning on a light during the day, your Parlor Palm will likely be okay. If natural light is limited, you can even use a simple grow light to boost its environment. Getting the lighting right is the foundation of everything else, because without enough light, even perfect watering and care won't save your plant from slow decline. Number 2. Watering. Avoid this common killer. If there's one mistake that kills more Parlor Palms than anything else, it's overwatering. This plant prefers slightly moist soil, but never soggy. And that difference is where most people go wrong. Instead of watering on a schedule, start checking the soil. Stick your finger about 1-2 inches deep. If it feels dry at that level, it's time to water. If it still feels damp, wait a few more days. When you do water, do it thoroughly. Let water run through the drainage holes, ensuring the roots get evenly hydrated. And this is crucial, empty the excess water from the tray. Sitting in water leads to root rot, which is often fatal. Yellow leaves are usually the first warning sign of overwatering, not underwatering. That's why adding more water often makes the problem worse. On the flip side, if you notice crispy brown edges and very dry soil, your plant might be underwatered or inconsistently watered. During cooler months, your Parlor Palm will need less water because growth slows down. Always adjust based on season and environment. Mastering watering isn't about doing more. It's about doing it at the right time. Once you get this right, your plant will instantly look healthier and more vibrant. Number 3. Temperature and humidity. Create the perfect climate parlor. Palms are surprisingly adaptable, but they still have preferences, and understanding them makes a huge difference. This plant thrives in temperatures between 18 to 27 degrees, which conveniently matches most indoor environments. That's why it does so well in homes and offices. However, sudden temperature changes are a hidden danger. Placing your plant near air conditioners, heaters, or drafty windows can stress it out, leading to browning tips and slow growth. Consistency is key. Try to keep your Parlor Palm in a stable spot where temperatures don't fluctuate too much. Humidity is another factor people often overlook. While Parlor Palms can tolerate normal indoor humidity, they truly thrive in slightly more humid conditions. If your home has very dry air, especially during hot or air-conditioned seasons, you might notice the tips of the leaves turning brown. To fix this, you can lightly mist the leaves, place a tray of water nearby, or group it with other plants to naturally increase humidity. That said, don't go overboard. This plant is forgiving and doesn't need tropical jungle conditions to survive. By maintaining a comfortable, stable indoor climate, you're giving your Parlor Palm the perfect environment to stay lush and stress-free. Number 4. Soil, potting, and repotting. Build a strong foundation. Healthy roots are the secret to a thriving parlor palm, and that starts with the right soil and pot. This plant prefers a well-draining potting mix that holds some moisture but doesn't stay wet for too long. A standard indoor potting mix works well, but adding perlite or sand can improve drainage even more. Always choose a pot with drainage holes. It might seem like a small detail, but it's absolutely essential for preventing root rot. Parlor palms actually like being a bit root-bound, so don't rush to repot them. In fact, repotting too often can stress the plant and slow its growth. Typically, repotting every 2 to 3 years is enough. When you do repot, choose a pot that's only slightly larger than the current one. Going too big can cause the soil to hold excess moisture. When transferring your plant, be gentle with the roots. Avoid breaking them unnecessarily and keep as much of the original soil intact as possible. After repotting, give your plant a light watering and place it back in a stable environment to recover. Think of soil and potting as the foundation of your plant's health. Get this right and everything else becomes much easier. Number 5. Fertilizer and maintenance. Keep it looking luxury. If you want your parlor palm to look full, green, and vibrant, a little feeding goes a long way, but more is not better. This plant is a light feeder, meaning it doesn't need frequent fertilizing. In fact, overfeeding can do more harm than good by causing salt buildup in the soil. During the growing season, spring and summer, you can use a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month. That's more than enough to support healthy growth. In fall and winter, you can stop feeding altogether as the plant naturally slows down. Maintenance is simple but important. Remove any yellow or dead fronds by cutting them at the base. This keeps the plant looking clean and encourages new growth. Also, dust can build up on the leaves over time, blocking light absorption. Gently wipe them with a damp cloth every few weeks to keep them fresh and shiny. Avoid excessive pruning, though. Parlor palms grow slowly, and cutting too much can make them look sparse. With just a little attention, your plant will maintain that lush, elegant look that makes it such a popular indoor choice. Now you know the truth. Parlor palms aren't difficult. They're just misunderstood. Get the light right, control your watering, and keep the environment stable, and your plant will reward you with beautiful tropical vibes all year long. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple, powerful plant care tips that actually work. And tell me in the comments, what's the one plant you struggle with the most? I might feature it in the next video. Until then, keep growing and keep your space green.